Hello and welcome to Henry channel. So in today's video I will show you how to enable or disable TPM State for an HP Victus gaming laptop. So power on the laptop and keep tapping F10 key. So F10 key will take you into BIOS configuration settings, that is. Right, from here, this is what you need to do. Go to security. So it's the next tab. On the fourth one down, as you can see, TPM State. You can select it, enable or disable this setting. TMP stands for Trusted Platform Module. TMP is used to improve security on your laptop. Once you decided to enable or disable this setting, you can save changes. This is the one you need to select. Enter, and it will save the changes. All good. So once the laptop restarts, it will initialize the saved changes.